Persistent stiffness, stubborn swelling, and that troubling weakness in your legs, none of this is coincidence. These are alarm bells screaming that your body is desperately lacking the main building block, collagen. Wait, don't click away. In just a minute, I'll reveal food number 2 that 99% of people avoid their entire lives, even though it can restore your joints in record time. Millions of Americans over 50 walk around with aching legs, swollen ankles, and stiff joints, never suspecting the real cause. Here's the shocking truth. By age 60, your body produces 75% less collagen than in your youth, and 99% of people have no idea that the foods on their plate are making it worse. Collagen makes up 35% of all proteins in the human body and is the primary component of skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones. Its molecule has a unique triple helix structure that provides incredible strength, 10 times stronger than steel at the same weight. There are 9 specific foods, completely natural and scientifically proven, that can restore collagen by 143% in just weeks. First, 2 questions. Have you noticed increased swelling in your legs? And what foods are you eating to support collagen? Write in the comments. We read every one and give personalized advice. Here are 9 collagen foods from important to life-saving. Number 9, wild-caught salmon. Most people focus on salmon's omega-3s, but wild-caught salmon contains something equally powerful, astaxanthin and marine collagen peptides. This pink powerhouse protects existing collagen from breakdown while supplying the building blocks for new formation. What makes wild salmon special is its unique combination of marine-derived collagen peptides and antioxidant compounds that work synergistically to rebuild damaged tissue. The astaxanthin gives salmon its vibrant pink color and acts as a powerful shield against oxidative stress that destroys collagen fibers. A 2022 study in Marine Drugs found that participants consuming wild salmon twice weekly showed 28% less collagen degradation markers and 22% improvement in skin elasticity after 10 weeks compared to those eating farm-raised fish. The key difference is wild-caught varieties contain 3-4 times higher levels of astaxanthin than farm-raised salmon. This potent carotenoid not only protects existing collagen but also stimulates fibroblast activity, the cells responsible for producing new collagen in your skin and joints. For maximum benefit, choose Alaskan wild salmon, sockeye, or coho varieties. Avoid Atlantic salmon, which is almost always farm-raised and contains significantly lower levels of these protective compounds. Grill or bake at moderate temperatures to preserve the delicate marine peptides, and pair with vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers or broccoli to enhance collagen synthesis. Many seniors report improved circulation and reduced morning stiffness when they include wild salmon in their diet twice weekly, especially when combined with light exercise like walking or swimming. Number 8, egg yolks. For decades, yolks were demonized as cholesterol bombs that supposedly clog arteries and worsen heart health. Modern research completely flipped the script. Yolks are among the richest sources of collagen-boosting nutrients available in any whole food. The secret lies in glycine and proline, 2 amino acids that are absolutely critical for collagen synthesis. Glycine forms the structural backbone of collagen's triple helix, while proline stabilizes the entire molecule by helping form hydroxyproline, a compound that gives collagen its incredible tensile strength. What makes egg yolks particularly valuable is their bioavailability. Unlike synthetic amino acid supplements, the nutrients in yolks are packaged in a natural matrix that your body recognizes and absorbs efficiently. The yolk also contains choline, which supports cellular membrane health and helps transport collagen-building nutrients to where they're needed most. A 2020 Journal of Nutrition study showed elderly people consuming whole eggs 4+ times weekly had 24% higher circulating collagen peptide levels and significantly less morning joint stiffness within 6 weeks. Participants also reported improved skin texture and reduced leg swelling, particularly around the ankles. Best preparation methods preserve the amino acid structure: soft-boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled over low heat. Hard boiling or high-heat cooking can denature some proteins, reducing their effectiveness. Combine with vitamin C-rich vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, or bell peppers to create a synergistic effect that amplifies collagen production. Some seniors find that starting their day with 2 whole eggs alongside colorful vegetables provides sustained energy and noticeable improvements in joint comfort within just a few weeks of consistent consumption. Most people automatically peel it off thinking it's nothing but unhealthy saturated fat. In reality, chicken skin is one of nature's most concentrated sources of type 1 collagen. the exact type that gives your skin firmness and your joints their resilience. Type 1 collagen is what declines most rapidly after age 60, which explains why skin becomes thin and saggy while joints become stiff and painful. What makes chicken skin so valuable is that it provides this collagen in a form that's already partially broken down and ready for your body to use. A 2022 randomized controlled trial showed participants 65 plus, including chicken skin in their diets 3 times weekly, demonstrated 31% increased type 1 collagen density over 12 weeks, with improved walking balance and reduced ankle swelling. The magic happens in the unique matrix of collagen fibers, elastin, and glycosaminoglycans found in the skin. These compounds work together to bind moisture within your tissues, which is essential for maintaining the plump, hydrated appearance of healthy skin and the smooth movement of joints. The key to eating chicken skin safely is proper preparation. Deep frying creates harmful compounds that can actually break down collagen and increase inflammation. Instead, bake or slow roast chicken at moderate temperatures, 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve the collagen structure while allowing the skin to render properly. Many people find it easier to make homemade chicken stock using skin-on parts, allowing the collagen to leach into the broth. This creates a therapeutic drink that can be sipped warm or used as a base for soups and stews throughout the week. Small, oily, and often overlooked, sardines are absolute powerhouses for collagen enhancement. Unlike larger fish that are often filleted, sardines are typically eaten whole, skin, bones, connective tissue and all, providing a complete spectrum of collagen types. What sets sardines apart is their rich content of both type 1 and type 3 collagen. Type 3 collagen is particularly crucial for blood vessel health, supporting the delicate network of capillaries that carry oxygen and nutrients to your legs and feet. When this collagen breaks down, circulation suffers, leading to swelling, numbness, and those sharp, tingling sensations many seniors experience. A 2021 European Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found consuming sardines 3 times weekly improved peripheral circulation by 19% and reduced ankle swelling by 27% over 10 weeks, with benefits directly linked to increased serum collagen levels. The small bones in sardines are soft enough to eat and provide additional calcium and phosphorus that support bone collagen synthesis. The skin contains concentrated elastin and collagen peptides that are easily absorbed by the digestive system. For best results, choose sardines packed in olive oil rather than soybean or sunflower oil, which are prone to oxidation and can interfere with collagen metabolism. You can enjoy them on whole grain toast, mixed into fresh salads with lemon juice, or stirred into tomato-based pasta dishes. If the fishy taste is off-putting, soaking sardines briefly in lemon juice before eating can neutralize the strong flavor while adding vitamin C that enhances collagen absorption. Many seniors find that incorporating sardines regularly not only helps rebuild collagen but also reduces those frightening nighttime leg cramps that can disrupt sleep. Once considered a delicacy reserved for fine dining, bone marrow is now recognized as a nutritional goldmine for seniors struggling with tissue degeneration. The soft, fatty tissue inside large bones like beef femur or lamb shank contains an incredible concentration of collagen precursors and supporting nutrients. What makes marrow unique is its content of both type 1 and type 2 collagen, along with hyaluronic acid, nature's most effective joint lubricant. Hyaluronic acid can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, creating the gel-like substance that cushions joints and keeps skin plump and hydrated. A 2019 Journal of Clinical Rheumatology study showed seniors with joint pain consuming bone marrow broth 4 times weekly experienced 36% improved joint flexibility and 40% reduced localized swelling after 8 weeks. These remarkable results were attributed to the high concentration of glycosaminoglycans, complex molecules that form the structural foundation of cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. Unlike synthetic supplements, these compounds from marrow are naturally occurring and come with cofactors that enhance absorption and utilization. To prepare marrow safely, bones must be roasted slowly at low temperatures, 275 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, to release the gelatinous interior without damaging the delicate collagen structure. The roasted marrow can be scooped out and spread on sourdough toast, stirred into risotto, or melted into soups for a rich, buttery texture. Alternatively, simmering marrow bones in water with a splash of apple cider vinegar for 24 hours creates a therapeutic bone broth that extracts all the beneficial compounds. Many seniors find that sipping just half a cup daily provides noticeable improvements in mobility and skin tone within weeks. This bright tropical fruit hides a secret weapon that most people have never heard of, an enzyme called papain that can revolutionize how your body processes collagen-building nutrients. What makes papaya special is papain's ability to break down tough protein bonds and make amino acids more bioavailable. This is crucial for seniors because as we age, our digestive systems produce less stomach acid and fewer enzymes, limiting our ability to extract the proteins needed for collagen synthesis. Papain acts like a biological key that unlocks these amino acids, allowing your body to rebuild collagen more efficiently throughout your skin, joints, and connective tissues. This enzyme is so powerful that it's used in meat tenderizers and digestive supplements, but consuming it naturally from fresh papaya provides additional benefits. A 2023 Nutrients and Aging study found that participants aged 78 consuming fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks showed 33% increased skin elasticity, 21% reduction in visible wrinkles, and 28% decrease in reported lower leg discomfort. To get maximum benefit, papaya must be eaten raw and fully ripe, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning. This allows the enzymes to work without interference from other foods. You can slice it and eat it plain, blend it into smoothies with a splash of lime juice, or even apply mashed papaya topically to target sagging skin. Avoid canned or cooked papaya, as heat destroys papain and reduces the vitamin C content that's essential for collagen synthesis. When eaten consistently, papaya can transform your body's ability to process and utilize the collagen-building nutrients from other foods in your diet. Most people associate gelatin with sugary desserts, but pure unflavored gelatin represents one of the most direct paths to collagen restoration available today. Gelatin is essentially pre-processed collagen, animal connective tissues that have been gently cooked and broken down into smaller, more absorbable peptides. What makes gelatin particularly powerful for seniors is its exceptional bioavailability. The collagen chains have already been partially broken down through the manufacturing process, creating peptides that are small enough to pass through your intestinal wall even if you have compromised digestion, a common issue in older adults. Pure gelatin delivers a concentrated dose of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the three amino acids that make up nearly 70% of all collagen structures in your body. Unlike collagen supplements that may contain fillers or additives, unflavored gelatin provides these building blocks in their most natural and recognizable form. A 2020 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study found seniors adding 10 grams of gelatin to their daily diets experienced 45% improved skin hydration, 22% reduced joint stiffness, and 38% increased calf muscle tone after just 8 weeks. These improvements were directly correlated with rising collagen peptide levels in participants' blood, indicating active collagen synthesis throughout their bodies. Many also reported better balance and faster walking speeds, suggesting that collagen affects not just appearance but functional strength and mobility. For best results, choose unflavored gelatin from grass-fed beef or pasture-raised pork sources. You can dissolve it in warm water and drink it as a tonic, stir it into tea or coffee, or use it to make homemade fruit gels with fresh berries and a touch of raw honey. Avoid commercial-flavored gelatin products that contain artificial colors, sweeteners, and preservatives that can interfere with collagen metabolism. The beauty of pure gelatin lies in its simplicity. It's one ingredient that delivers profound results when used consistently. Coming up next, food number 2 is so controversial that 99% of seniors avoid it completely, yet research shows it can boost collagen regeneration by over 140%. You won't want to miss this. It's the most polarizing food on the planet, loved by some, feared by many, and avoided by most seniors who were told decades ago that it was dangerous. But grass-fed beef liver or pasture-raised chicken liver represents one of the most concentrated sources of collagen-activating nutrients ever discovered by nutritional science. What makes liver so uniquely powerful is its extraordinary concentration of vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine, 4 essential cofactors that your body absolutely must have to synthesize new collagen. Without these nutrients working together, even a high-protein diet cannot rebuild the collagen matrix that supports your skin, joints, blood vessels, and muscles. Vitamin A in liver exists in its most bioactive form, retinol, which directly stimulates fibroblast cells to produce more collagen. Copper serves as a critical enzyme cofactor in collagen cross-linking, the process that gives collagen its strength and stability. Zinc supports the formation of collagen's triple helix structure, while glycine provides the fundamental building blocks. A 2022 cross-sectional analysis published in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition found seniors consuming liver once weekly had 143% higher collagen activity markers in their blood compared to non-consumers, with significantly lower rates of varicose veins, sagging skin, and joint swelling. The study concluded that liver's unique nutritional profile makes it one of the most complete foods for reversing age-related tissue degeneration. No other single food provides such a concentrated array of collagen-supporting nutrients in their most bioavailable forms. For those hesitant about liver's strong flavor, start with small amounts blended into familiar foods. Mix cooked liver into ground meat for burgers or meatballs, or try liver pâté spread thinly on whole grain toast with lemon juice to balance the taste. The key is consistency rather than quantity. Just 1-2 ounces per week is sufficient to trigger significant collagen repair, especially when combined with vitamin C from fruits and vegetables. Those who persist often notice firmer skin, stronger legs, and dramatically reduced swelling within weeks. At the top of our list sits the ancient healing elixir that modern nutritional science is finally taking seriously. When prepared correctly, bone broth represents the most potent concentrated source of bioavailable collagen known to the nutritional world. What elevates bone broth to the #1 position isn't just its collagen content, but the way it delivers a complete spectrum of synergistic compounds that work together to rebuild tissue, reduce inflammation, and restore mobility from the cellular level up. True bone broth contains type 1, 2, and 3 collagen, along with gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. All the compounds your body needs to form, hydrate, and protect connective tissues throughout your entire system. This isn't just nutrition. It's targeted therapy for aging tissues. A landmark 2021 clinical trial published in Geriatric Health and Nutrition followed 110 participants over 60 who consumed 250 milliliters of bone broth daily. After just 8 weeks, they demonstrated 52% improved skin firmness, 34% reduced leg pain and cramping, and 48% increased physical activity levels. Even more remarkably, MRI scans revealed measurably thicker joint cartilage in participants' knees and hips, while blood markers confirmed elevated levels of hydroxyproline and glycosaminoglycans, direct indicators that their bodies were actively rebuilding collagen structures. Participants who combined daily bone broth consumption with light walking showed the most dramatic improvements, including better balance, reduced foot numbness, and increased grip strength. This suggests that bone broth doesn't just restore structure, it enhances nerve function and circulation throughout the body. To create truly therapeutic bone broth, you must use bones from grass-fed beef or free-range chickens, including joints and cartilage-rich pieces like knuckle bones, marrow bones, or chicken feet. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar to create an acidic environment that draws out minerals and collagen over the long cooking process. Simmer for 18-24 hours at the lowest possible temperature, just barely bubbling. The longer it cooks, the more therapeutic compounds are extracted. You'll know it's done when the cooled broth forms a firm gel in the refrigerator. That's the sign of high collagen content. Drink it warm on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, or use it as a base for soups, stews, and grain dishes throughout the week. Avoid store-bought versions with additives, and never boil vigorously, as high heat can destroy the delicate amino acid structures your body needs for repair. If you're over 60 and struggling with tingling sensations, persistent swelling, or weakening legs, your body may be starving for collagen without you even realizing it. These 9 foods aren't just beneficial, they're your biological defense system against the tissue breakdown that accelerates with every passing year. Remember, success lies in the details. It's not only about which foods you choose, but how you prepare them, when you eat them, and what you combine them with that determines how quickly your body can heal and rebuild itself. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these collagen-rich foods have you tried before? What changes did you notice in your energy, mobility, or appearance? Do you have a favorite preparation method that makes these foods more enjoyable? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. We read every single one and provide personalized guidance based on your unique situation. Your success story could inspire thousands of others who are struggling with the same challenges. Thanks for watching, and remember, your best years can still be ahead of you when you give your body the building blocks it needs to rebuild itself from the inside out.